Okay, we're opening up the next playground.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some fun, me and Charlotte.
Help.
Push, 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 pull. Oh, yeah, let's turn it this way. And then open. Bam! Look at that.
Huh? Do we need to do this?
Yeah, we need to. That's the control. Pull the green. That's our controller. And we'll take off the wrapper. Pull this. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Oh my goodness.
What?
It's just so strong. Tape.
What is this?
That's the
What
power.
is this?
I think that's if you need it anyway. You can put your thingy on that.
This you mean?
Mm-hmm.
This goes inside?
Yeah.
This goes inside this?
Oh, and they did give us an HDMI cord. I didn't even see it when I opened it.
Oh, just in case it runs out of batteries.
Yeah. Okay, are you excited? Should we give it a try?
Huh? We just need to make this flat, okay? I'm making this flat.
No, okay.
Come on, go flat. Here. Round and round. Turn this round to the front. Right, yeah. Made it. So let's do all of these Peppa Pig games.
Okay.
What are these two buttons for?
I don't know. I never tried it yet. It's gonna be my first time.
I tried these before at my sister's house.